Hi guys! Welcome back to Ginger's Doll World. In this video, I'm going to make a quick craft. I'm making a doll water cooler. This craft is really simple. Of course, it helps I found all these great building blocks at garage sales last year. So I went through my bins and I found two that would be perfect for the water cooler. Let's get started. First, I paint the wooden blocks silver. While the wooden blocks are drying, I'm going to fill this bottle up with water. Yep, there's real water. After the blocks are dry, I glue it all together. I also painted the bottle lid silver. I glued on some beads, and that's it. It's done, and it's ready to put in one of your dollhouses or doll sets. Really easy, right? We have lots of videos on our channel for you to watch, and we're creating a lot more. So check out the description for links, and please follow us on Instagram at Ginger's Doll World. I'm posting pictures and videos of my Barbie looks, behind the scenes, and I will notify you there when we have a new video ready here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time on Ginger's Doll World. Bye for now!